Hi, this is Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor with the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. We're at the 2016 Automation Fair event in Atlanta, and I'm at the HMS Industrial Networks booth talking with Kevin. Kevin, tell us what your company does.
We're a Rockwell Encompass partner, and we make network connectivity and remote management solutions.
And I know we're standing in front of a collaborative project here that you guys have been working on. Tell us about that.
The idea started back in March at Partner Network Conference, and we wanted to work with a system integrator to put together a real-life demo that was important for the industries relevant in Atlanta. So we started working with Millennium Controls, and we came up with something that's relevant for the paper industry. It's a slitter cutter machine that will cut paper.
And who does the robotics on this?
Well, we got the robot from Fanic Robotics, and then Millennium Controls integrated the system together. And we also work with a machine builder called JSI. They make the slitter machine itself.
And these are all Rockwell Automation partners?
Millennium Controls is a Rockwell Automation partner. JSI is a machine builder serving the market.
Okay, great. Well, let's go to the other side of the machine and take a look at the HMI, the slitter, and the robotics. So we're on the other side of this collaborative slitter machine, and we're looking at the HMI. So Kevin, tell us what we're looking at here.
One of the products we're featuring in this demonstration is the E1 Cozy product, and that product allows a user to remotely troubleshoot and control, or troubleshoot and program a PLC, and it also allows you to remotely view and control an HMI. So in this case, we have an HMI on the machine, and through the E1 Cozy, we're able to use a tablet to be able to go into the HMI and control the machine remotely. So you can do that through any internet-connected device, but we're doing it with a tablet. So in this case, you can view this machine at the HMI anywhere in the plant or really anywhere in the world.
Wow, and can you do that with a phone too, or is that pretty much a tablet?
No, you can do it with a phone, laptop, any internet-connected device.
Wow, that's really powerful. And it looks like the screen is designed for ease of use for anyone so that it's not too complicated and you can actually get what you need from it without it being too complex and time-consuming.
Yeah, in this case, it's the HMI screen that it was designed by Millennium Controls, but we're able to reformat that screen to run on the tablet or to run on a phone automatically.
Yeah, that's really important to be user-friendly. So let's take a look at the robotics and the slitter now. And I'm talking with Aaron. Aaron, just tell us briefly your role at the company and about what your company does.
Hi, yes, I'm one of the owners at JSI and also Vice President of Operations. What we're looking at here is we're looking at a slitter machine that actually uses quick change technology on the slitter blade holder, as well as a AccuSlit system that's used for adjusting the knives to cut positions. So what that does is it allows our customers to go out there and change blades very quickly and uses no tools, as well as allows us to adjust the slit cuts that are required by their customers from either their ERP system or from their manual data input. They can enter the cuts they're looking for.
So what was the collaboration involved here with this machine?
The collaboration that was involved was between JSI as the machine builder, Millennium Controls as the integrator, so they did all the integration and the programming, and then HMS with their wireless technology, they were able to wirelessly send signals between the PLC and the robot, and also the PSC and the stack light. So that's really collaboration that was done here.
Okay, and Rob, you're with Millennium.
I am over business development for Millennium Control Systems out of Cleveland. We also have a branch right here in Atlanta, and we worked with JSI and HMS to collaborate to put together the system that we see here today.
And how long did that take? How long was this project involved with the other partners?
We started working with HMS at the partner event back earlier this year, about 8 months ago. JSI came into the picture about 6 months into that, and it was when we were looking for an application that was not just a demonstration of technology, but something that we might actually see an application in real world. So we looked at the slitter sections that AccuSlit, the JSI provides, and looking at that, we said, well, the one safety issue that we see is handling blades. And so in looking at that, we said, how could we change the blades out and never have an operator touch it? And that was where the robot came in, and by using 3 different holders on the robot, we pick up a new blade, and we come to the holder, and using the quick change holders, we are able to release the collet, release the blade, take the collet and blade off, put a new blade on, put the collet on, return it back, and at that point we've just changed the blade and the operator never had to be there.
And how did you decide on the Fanic Robotics?
Fanna's been a partner with us for years. They do a great job. They great support here in the Southeast, and so they were a good choice for us.
Yeah, and they're also an important Rockwell Automation partner.
Absolutely, yes,
Yeah.
definitely so.
Well, this is really a demonstration of the strength of the Rockwell Automation Partner Network, and this happens all the time, and this is an absolute demonstration of that. So go to the URLs that you see on the screen here and learn more about each of these companies and how they can help you. I'm Teresa Haug at the 2016 Automation Fair event. I'll see you next time.